the money expert. From $0 to millions in 2 years without any hard work. Welcome to a journey that could completely change the way you think about building wealth. Imagine transforming your financial life without grinding tirelessly day and night. Imagine watching your money grow while you focus on living a more balanced, fulfilling life. Today, we are going to uncover the strategies, mindset, and tools that take you from $0 to millions in just 2 years, without the hard, draining hustle. It's time to rethink wealth creation, not as something reserved for the lucky few, or those who sacrifice everything, but as a roadmap anyone can follow with the right approach. Let's dive right in. For years, we've been told that hard work is the only path to success. The idea of hustle culture has made many people believe they need to grind 24/7 to achieve financial freedom. But here's the truth. Wealth creation isn't solely about how hard you work. It's about how smartly you work. The world's most successful investors and entrepreneurs didn't succeed by working endlessly for a paycheck. Instead, they mastered the art of leveraging the right opportunities, tools, and strategies at the right time. Today, we'll break down the myths that keep most people stuck in financial mediocrity and focus on making wealth building a smarter, more sustainable process. If you want to grow your wealth quickly and effectively, you need to shift your focus from hard work to smart financial strategies. Here's how. Start by understanding the concept of scalable investments. These are opportunities that allow your money to multiply without constant input from you. Think of dividends, rental income, or automated trading systems. These create passive income streams that keep growing, even when you're not directly involved. Passive income isn't just a buzzword. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom. Once you've set up scalable investments, the money works for you. You no longer exchange your time for every dollar you earn. A good wealth strategy also includes high-impact decision-making. This means identifying opportunities that yield the best returns with minimal effort. From choosing the right stocks to wisely investing in real estate, every decision should align with long-term wealth-building goals. To illustrate that this isn't just theory, let's look at real-world examples of individuals who started with nothing and turned their financial lives around. Take Sarah, who began with zero savings and student loans. Instead of grinding tirelessly in a 9-to-5 job, she redirected her attention to investing in rental properties. Using creative financing strategies, she acquired her first property and reinvested the profits into more properties. 2 years later, her passive income from real estate exceeds her living expenses, giving her financial freedom. Or consider David, who used his limited savings to invest in index funds. By setting up regular automated contributions, he allowed compounding to grow his wealth exponentially in just a couple of years. His story proves that you don't need to chase the riskiest avenues to achieve remarkable results. What do these stories teach us? It's not about simply working harder. It's about building smarter systems and investing consistently in scalable strategies. Ready to make your own leap? Here are the exact financial strategies you can start using today. Understand and leverage diverse investment vehicles. Index funds. These are low-maintenance investments that track entire markets, offering consistent growth over time. Real estate. Rental properties and REITs, real estate investment trusts, can generate significant passive income. Dividend stocks. Own shares in companies that pay regular dividends, allowing you to earn money simply for holding their stocks. Each of these vehicles allows you to grow your wealth while reducing the time-intensive tasks associated with management. Simplified risk management. Risk is unavoidable, but it can be controlled. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by diversifying your investments. Start with manageable amounts and increase your involvement gradually. Always be prepared for market downturns by having an emergency fund or buffer in place. Consistency and confidence. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, even during market fluctuations, and trust the process. Reinvest your earnings to accelerate growth through the power of compounding. By focusing on these tried and tested strategies, you'll position yourself for long-term, sustainable success. Getting started might seem daunting, but today's tools and resources make it easier than ever. Technology and automation. Use budgeting apps and investment platforms to automate savings, track expenses, and monitor your portfolio. Apps like Mint or Robinhood simplify the process and remove the guesswork. Financial coaching. Hiring a financial coach can provide personalized strategies tailored to your goals, giving you a clear roadmap to success. Self-education resources. Books like The Intelligent Investor or podcasts such as Bigger Pockets offer endless inspiration and education for mastering your finances. Equipping yourself with the right tools ensures you're not only working smarter, but also staying consistent in your financial journey. Your mindset is just as important as your monetary strategy. The process of growing from $0 to millions starts with transformation within. Develop a wealth-building mentality. Patience is essential. Wealth isn't built overnight. Embrace the long game and focus on sustainable, incremental progress. Believe in yourself. Many people hesitate to take their first step because they doubt their capability to succeed. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. The only difference is whether you're willing to take action. Avoid shortcuts. While it may be tempting to chase get-rich-quick schemes, they usually lead to disappointment, or worse, financial losses. Instead, focus on building wealth sustainably with tried and tested methods. This mindset change will not only motivate you, but also ensure you stay on the right path. Finally, let's translate everything we've discussed into an actionable plan for you. Set realistic financial goals. Define exactly what you'd like to achieve financially and set a timeline. Be specific, whether it's saving for a property, building an emergency fund, or achieving $1 million in investments. Create a roadmap. Break your goals into smaller, actionable tasks. Want to build a $1 million real estate portfolio? Start by saving enough for your first down payment. Review and adapt regularly. Every few months, assess your progress. What's working? What isn't? Adjust your plan to optimize for results without losing sight of your goals. With a clear plan and disciplined execution, the gap between your financial dreams and reality becomes much smaller. There you have it. The roadmap from $0 to millions without exhaustive hard work. By switching from a grind mentality to smart, scalable strategies, combining inspiration with actionable steps, and adopting the right mindset, you can transform your financial future. Remember, the key is to think differently, to work smarter, not harder. Start small, stay consistent, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. Now, it's your turn. Take the first step today, whether by revising your budget, opening an investment account, or exploring passive income streams. The journey to financial independence doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins now. You've got this. Let's make your financial dreams a reality.